Hello, Mr. and Mrs. How are you doing right now, all people? I hope you're doing well. So, on this channel, we will learn how to pronounce English with an American accent. So, if you are interested, please subscribe this channel and thank you so much. So, let's get started in this video.
Egg. Yes, how would you like to egg? No egg. Milk bacon sandwich. Very difficult. Egg.
And look at this word. He pronounced this word is very fast. Egg. Very fast and very tricky. This word pronounced like a native speaker sometime. Egg. Very fast. And letter E makes sound is very fast. Egg. Up and down this word pronunciation. Egg.
Egg. Yes, how would you like to egg?
And he pronounced this word, yes, how would you like to egg? Yes. And this time Y sound, yes. How would you? And look at this word. Sometime American accent pronounce this Y make sound J. Would you like to egg? Would you like to egg? How would you like to egg? How would you like to egg? How would you? Yes, how would you like to egg? Yes, how would you like to egg?
Yes, how would you like to egg? Yes, how would you like to egg? Yes, how would you like to egg? Yes, how would you like to egg? No egg. Milk bacon sandwich.
And he pronounced this word, no egg milk bacon sandwich. No egg bacon, no egg milk. Very lightly this word pronounced milk. No egg milk bacon. And this time letter A make sound E. Bacon sandwich. And you notice this time letter D make sound is very light and very slowly this letter pronounce inside this word. Sandwich.
No egg. Milk bacon sandwich. No egg. Milk bacon sandwich. No egg. Milk bacon sandwich. No egg. Milk bacon sandwich. Very difficult.
And he pronounced this word very difficult. And look at this word, this two letter make sound re. Very difficult and not fully pronounce this letter T. Very difficult language. Very difficult.
Very difficult.